Day one, testing. So, we're going to test the DJI FPV drone with a little KFM wing added on top. See if it flies a bit longer and how it performs. We've got 97% power left on this battery. Now we're recording. Let's see if it takes off for a start. Okay, there's no wind today. And going up. So testing day one was done and not very successful, but nothing wrong happened today. So now we'll have to move on to number 2. Ready now for test number 2. Okay, what do we have here? We have an old wing, KFM, the type I like, easy to build. So I just hacked it and got enough space for the propellers at the back, and we are going to go as soon as this is charged. There's no wind today. We need to enjoy it when we can. Okay, still day one, and well, it's grown. Let's see how this one plays. An old wing, a very fast wing really, but of course I had to clear some space for the propellers. Let's just hope I don't look my favorite drone, my only drone now. So, very first time with this big wing on this little drone. Let's see if I can take off anyway. Oh. Okay, this is what it looks like without going. We're going now. Oh. Not happy. Never forget the gimbal. Crap thing. Back again. Well, 92% and 91 now. Going now. 25%, 12 minutes. It does fly like a plane now. Exciting. Well, this is what it looked like with a DJI FPV with a set of wings attached to it. Let me show you this from here. It looks pretty cool, I think. But it did not give me not any good results. I think it was flying, well, it's not designed for this, and I was hoping, but I think it looks pretty cool. Well, anyway, this is it for this experiment. I'll leave the little video, so if anybody wants to look into it and maybe try to continue this little experiment. Just the one thing here, where was it attached? It was attached at this level here. I think it should be attached slightly more forward, and I possibly would have a smaller hole at that, and maybe covering that area here with some airfoil as well. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.